welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as today we are going to look how Ruto is setting up this project, the Mau Summit Rironi Road, to open up the western part of Kenya, and the job is being done by the Chinese company. Very good job. The progress is good. Actually, see, they've started with the drainage system, that is the cross culverts, yeah, and some structures like small bridges. Yeah, it's a good job, very good job. As you can see, people are on site, the work is going on. Yeah, the work is going on very well. And the traffic is also, they are trying to manage this traffic, at least should be no congestion. Many people are on site working here and there, like that's a bridge, I guess. Yeah, and let us see how it will go with this kind of work, guys. Yeah, if this project actually get finished, I know most of Kenyan part will be open, traders will come in, infrastructure, people will start actually to be considering to invest to other part of Kenya other than the city, Nairobi city. This expansion will really change the road networking in Kenya. At least the road network percentage will increase, and yeah, I think it's a good job, very good job, guys. Yeah, very good job. And remember, this is Kenya, Tembea Kenya. Actually, other people will see this is the beautiful Kenya, very beautiful. Beautiful roads. Yeah, it's a solo driving. I'm from Naivasha. I'm going to Nairobi city. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm going to Nairobi city. Just here alone, driving alone, guys. Yeah, driving alone. The progress is good. Kenya is developing. Kenya, I think now Kenya should not be called a third world country. Yeah. Kenya is really developing, and it's growing very fast. Very fast. So this one are forest, very beautiful forests with the cypress trees. Yeah, actually this area is always cold, guys. Very cold. Yeah, and it's good. Now we are at Kijabe Hospital. It's a colonial hospital, I think, from many years back then. One of the oldest hospitals in Kenya. I don't know what they deal with. I think it's has medical expertise from, I think it's European countries, I guess. Yeah. Beautiful Kenya. Guys, welcome to Kenya. I'm just driving here. Solo, no music. I don't need loudest music, or let me say, I don't need kelele, in short, disturbance. Just want peace to drive. Yeah, I'm still exploring. So guys, make sure you subscribe, like for more videos, more vlogs. Yeah, as youngest YouTubers here in Kenya, like me, just getting started, guys. Support your guy, manze. To road to 200 subscribers for now. Let's go. Hit that button. Finya hiyo kitu. Yeah, hit that button, guys. Yeah. Jibambe. Let me be the one to, if you can't be able to travel, let me comment. Let's do this. Comment on the comment section. Say the places that you want us to see. Oh guys, look at this very huge depression here. Very huge. I don't know how they will fill up this place, but it's a deep excavation here around this place. Very deep. It used to be some kind of like this place, yeah, where people can chill, but now it's paving way for the road expansion, the Rironi Mau Summit road. Yeah, as you can see, very deep excavation, guys. Work is still going on. The work is still going on. Yeah, and we are grateful for that. We are grateful for development. Kenya to move forward, guys. Kenya to move forward. Yeah. Look at this place, such sceneries, such beautiful homes. We have donkeys everywhere. Such beautiful homes. Very green. Some domesticated animals like sheep, goats. Yeah. This is Kenya, guys. Kenya. Yeah. Vlog ni moto manze. Support me, guys. Kindly support me. Yeah. Support me kabisa. Subscribe. Support me by subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. Road to 200 subscribers is not bad, guys. Look how green it is. Very green. Very green. Sweet homes. Sweet Kenya.